I'm creating a closed circuit.
So you like straight talk?
Straight as an arrow, no sugar.
You look in the mirror. You see this rough and tumble, old school cowboy. A lone wolf.
Hi, Mickey. Are you experiencing any vertigo?
Why aren't you dead?
2025 has been an excellent year at the movies. A lot of studios swung big this year with huge blockbusters and some bold original films. But out of everything released, these are the 10 that truly delivered. Let's start things off with an Irish thriller that's probably the biggest hidden gem on the list.
If you had a chance to leave here, would you?
We lost the Rams.
Jack! Here, what do you know about these Rams?
This is Bring Them Down, a tense revenge thriller about a sheep farmer whose world is shattered when someone slaughters his whole flock. This one flew away under the radar, but it shouldn't have with amazing performance from Barry Keoghan and Christopher Abbott. It was really atmospheric and keeps you sucked in with a great story and lots of twists. Number 9. Sinners. It is a big-budget vampire horror film set in 1930s Mississippi. Michael B. Jordan nails the dual role of the Murray twins, and Sinners really set the tone in early 2025 with lots of style as well as substance. The film touched on so many subjects from music to culture to race. If you like horror movies that are equal parts haunting and thought-provoking, Sinners was one of the best examples of this year. Number 8. Superman. It's had huge expectation on its shoulders. Luckily, it delivered for the most part in a film that was full of personality with a grounded version of Clark Kent that felt closer to the classic comics. It had everything that makes a good superhero movie: great characters, a hopeful story, and plenty of over-the-top action scenes. Number 7. Mikey 17. There was surprisingly few good sci-fi movies to come out in 2025. There was one good one though, and that was the sci-fi comedy Mikey 17. Imagine that there an unknown virus in the air and that you are sucking in every microscopic particle floating around. This was a pretty anticipated movie as it was Bong Joon-ho's big budget follow-up to Parasite. It turned out to be a pretty weird but fun movie with plenty of the originality. It was easily one of the best sci-fi of 2025. Number 6. F1. F1 puts you right in the middle of the Formula 1 world, following a rookie driver who joins a top-tier team. The movie goes all in one realism with some of the cleanest and most thrilling racing sequences put on screen in years. You could almost feel the speed, the vibration, and the danger of the Formula 1 world. Number 4. Frankenstein. Del Toro rarely, if ever, makes a bad film, so the expectations for this were pretty high. Luckily, it delivered with a glorious gothic horror that has all the visual flourishes you would expect from the director. Virtually every single shot in this movie looked well thought out, and the director and actors absolutely nailed the heart and humanity of the legendary monster story. It was a beautiful and heartbreaking film and definitely one of the most watched movies of the year. Number 3. Weapons. It is Krieger's first film after the acclaimed 2020 film Barbarian, and surprisingly, he managed to top it. Weapons was bigger and darker than Barbarian and was so unpredictable it kept you glued to the screen. 2025 had plenty of horror films, but Weapons, one of the boldest, proving Krieger is one of the most exciting new voices in modern horror. Number 2. One Battle After Another. It was one of Anderson's boldest swings. Part political drama, it was one of the director's most entertaining films in age with tons of energy, intense set pieces, and kind of screwball tone that kept it from ever getting overly serious. A lot of people complained about the constant stream of remakes and sequels these days, and rightfully so. Number 1. Warfare. It is an action war film that's one as tense of a movie as you will find in 2025. It's about a real-life 2006 mission by a platoon of US Navy SEAL in Iraq. It is not a polished, heroic war movie but more raw and terrifying. It shows the brutal realism of combat and proves that films can still challenge and haunt you without spectacle of CGI. It's masterfully directed by Alex Garland and full of knockout performances. Warfare is an unforgettable watch and easily my favorite movie of 2025. Thank you for again. Do subscribe to my channel to see more videos related movies and series suggestions. Thank you.